Hello guys, so let's begin with the problem majority elements. So an array is given of size n and we need to return the majority element. So what is this majority element? So the majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. Okay. So there are like if I see the example number 1. So here 3 is occurring 2 times and the here n equals to 3, size is 3, so 3 by 2. So basically the frequency of 3 is 2, that is greater than n by 2. So that's why the answer is 3. Okay, so there are so many ways to solve this problem, but I am going to solve it by using the most optimal approach. That will be take linear time and open space. Okay, so basically what is the idea behind that approach? So the idea is that let me take this example number 2, to explain you my idea. So 2 2 1 1 1 2 2. Okay, so one thing that is confirmed in the problem statement, that is the majority element is greater than n by 2. Okay, so my idea is whenever I get a same number, like initially I will take a number and a count variable. So the count is just to count the frequency of the current number that is stored in a variable number. Okay, and each time I will keep on moving in the number in the array nums array, and then check if the current number in the nums array is same to the number that is stored in the variable number, then I will increment my count. If it not, then I will decrement it. Once the count equals to 0, then I will update my number variable with the current value of the nums array, the number that is present in that current index at that time. So in this way, again I will update my number variable, and when count is my 0 or else. So in this way, at the last, the number that is stored in my number variable, that will be my answer. But the question arises like how it's giving the correct answer, like yeah. So if you observe the approach that I told you now, is that basically I am counting the frequency. So whenever I am getting the same number that is stored in the number variable, then I am incrementing it, else I am decrementing it. So the majority element is more than n by 2 times. So here, so this thing ensures that my count variable at the last greater than 0 and the number that is stored in it is the answer. Let's see, let's try to understand the solution part. Okay, so what I say, like initially take a count to just count the frequency and the major major element. So major element is my initially nums 0. Okay, now inside the for loop, just start iterating from the I equals to 1 and nums dot size. So there are three guesses that I told you. If the current element is equals to the major element, then directly increment your count. Else if count equals to 0, then update the count and also the major element, that is the current number, the current value, or else cnt minus minus, and at the last return the major element. So let me run it. Okay, I did some mistake. Okay, initially my count will be 1, not 0, because I have initialized the major element with the first index value number. So apart from that, let me submit it. So as you can see, the solution get accepted. I hope you are able to understand the solution part. That's all.